Welcome to the Europe-LAND Toolbox's video tutorials. We will begin with a guided virtual tour of the Europe-LAND online toolbox and platform. During this walkthrough, we will explore all available data layers, the main features and functionalities, and the integrated tools for analysis, comparison, and visualization of the toolbox version 1.6. This short tour will help familiarize users with the toolbox capabilities before we continue with demonstrations and example applications. Let's proceed with video tutorial number 1, General Presentation. Let's test the layers, features, and tools together. To access the platform, type this URL into your browser. Here we're using Google Chrome as an example. When the page loads, a pop-up window appears. It provides a short introduction to the Europe-LAND project, a Horizon Europe initiative, along with the list of participating partners. You can close the pop-up to enter the main interface. In the center, you'll see the map area based on OpenStreetMap. On the left is the main toolbox menu. On the right, you'll find the drawing tools. Any feature or dataset you activate will appear directly on this map. Let's begin with the main features. The data panel contains all available layers, which you can toggle on and off. You can also upload your own files, such as KML, to visualize custom data on the map. Next is the Tools panel. Here you'll find the Compare tools, the slider, the Case Study slider, and the Time-Lapse tool. Following that, the Project Data panel provides access to every case study and all associated datasets and results. You can also browse the outcomes produced by each work package of the Europe-LAND Horizon project. The Help panel includes platform documentation and video tutorials such as the one you are currently watching. The Refresh button resets the interface and returns you to the starting state. Finally, the Feedback section, Join the Mission, allows users and stakeholders to submit suggestions on features, usability, or new ideas for the toolbox. This feedback helps us continuously improve the platform. You are currently viewing version 1.6. A series of more videos focused on each toolbox feature can be accessed next.